Hello, I'm Calm Cal. Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to have a look at the innards of the games console that we're going to be putting together, or I'm going to be putting together. And what I've chosen is the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus. In the case that we've chosen, the Retro Flag Mega Pi case. Oops, sorry if people wearing headsets. This one, it actually supports the Raspberry Pi Model B Plus, 3B, 2B and the 2B Plus. The Raspberry Pi 3B Plus is the latest one, and it's a little bit more power hungry than the others, but it has better Wi-Fi and better Bluetooth connectivity. So if you're going to be using wireless controllers, this is the best one to go for. And because it's the latest one, this is what I suggest you go for. But price them up, have a look, see which is the best for you. I think most of them will run the Mega Drive games, which I have planned to install. But as I say, the Model B Plus is the latest and greatest. So we'll just have a look, see what we've got in the box. This box came in, looks like it's been kicked around or something. It's not in very good condition, not really happy with it, but let's hope it works. It's nice, going straight back. So this is it. It's a single board computer. We've got 4 USB connectors and also your data connection for the internet. Obviously this does come with Wi-Fi, so if you don't plug it direct you can use the onboard Wi-Fi, which is okay. We've got the I/O ports here, which this case will connect to because it's got a reset and also a shutdown facility built into the case. There's HDMI out, you've got your power point there, and your earphone socket, I believe that is. There's no onboard storage with this, so it's actually run through. If you just flip it over, there's a port there for a micro SD card. Sure you don't touch the back of the board, don't want you getting cut because some of them are quite sharp. But the micro SD cards, when you buy them or look for them, make sure that they are the class 10, not 10 years support, actually class 10. Look for that on the packaging itself. This one is 128 gigabytes. For the amount of games that we've been putting on this, because it's a Mega Drive, I think 32 gigabyte size SD card should hold all of those games. Also the software that I'm going to be running, it's limited to 600 games. The software I'm going to be using will support the majority of the Sega formats. So just look at the build first before you start buying any of these products, and see and make up your own mind. Obviously if you're looking for Sega CD games, they're going to be a lot bigger than the Sega Mega Drive games. So this one's 128. There's a little connector that this micro SD card fits into, so this then fits into your card reader, which is just like this. So your micro SD card fits into this connector or adapter, and then that fits into your card reader. I haven't actually got one of those size card readers, so what I did is I bought one of these. This fits into here. It's nice and snug, so it fits in, slides into here, and this then actually plugs directly into your USB port. I thought that was more handy than one of these sort of card readers, the old-fashioned card readers. It's also a different type of USB connector there, the mini one. I haven't got one of those on my computer, but my USB connector is just great anyway. It's quite handy that. Right, so I'll be looking at putting this together in the next video, probably looking at some of the software as well. So if you can hang around for that, if you can support me by liking this video, sharing it if you can. I've actually got a link on the YouTube banner for my Facebook page, so if you can click on that and just like my page, I'd appreciate that. I won't put any links in the description for any of these at the moment. I'll wait till the final video for that. My name is Cal. Have a good morning, afternoon or good evening. Farewell till next time, and I'll see you later. Thanks for all your support. Appreciate it.